Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you how to convert media on VIVO V29. So firstly, go into Google Play Store, tap on search and search up image converter. Now install this app. So let's open it. Close it. Choose the designated desired format. In my case, going to be PDF. Let's say tap on allow. Tap here. Choose from gallery. Now I'm going to choose this picture. Tap on done. Now you can also compress it if you would like to. I'm not going to do that. Now just tap on done. Save. And that's going to be all. If I helped you, please leave a like and subscribe. And if you have any more questions, let us know in the comments.